All right, I'm going to show you this really cool feature that we have with AM cards where you can actually do your signature on a piece of paper or just write a letter, upload it, and use it just into the system, just as if you were to hand sign or hand write a letter. So watch this. I'm going to write my signature, all right? And then I'm going to go into AM cards and go into signatures. And you'll see the upload button right here. So if you want to, you can change the color too, to say people remember in color. So I'll change it to blue. And then I'll choose file. I'm going to take a photo here. So I'm just going to take a photo of my signature. And of course you can crop it as well to take out some of the space. I'm going to upload it. Okay, and there it is right there. So now I can go into choose a card and go ahead and go ahead to signatures. And then there's my signature right there. Now notice this bottom spot right here. Right there is because it probably picked up something along the edge. So that's why you would want to maybe crop that out. And I'm going to just put this down the bottom of the card. There it is. There's my signature. Now watch this. Now I'll also do this and write a message. All right, so I wrote my message. Now I'm going to upload this message. I'm going to take a picture of it. So take a picture like this. All right. Here's a photo. Okay, then there it is. Now, if you want to take the picture, crop it first before you upload it. That might make more sense. So I'm going to just delete this, and then I'm going to show you it's actually right in here, just as if you were to hand sign that. Now it's going to be to the side, so I'm going to just turn it, scroll up. How awesome is that? So just as if I was to hand write that card, and then of course I can save changes up here, and I'll put thank you for the referral. Now I can send this card out over and over again, so I save it as a template. So you can write as many messages as you want, save them as templates if you would prefer to use your own handwriting.